Yeah, so this is another risky trade. So as you can see, from minus $500, the market is trying to correct and go up again. So I'm trading Ethereum USDT futures with 150x leverage. As usual, I'm using my strategy. If you are interested, guys, to learn my strategy, the link is in the description below. So the market created that long green candle. From that point, you can see that my prediction was right, and yeah, started correcting. I was about to close this trade when I was at around $400, because I thought that there is no potential of for a longer uptrend. But at the end, you will see that I was wrong. Yeah, so my prediction here was wrong. So the market went down a little bit again. So I was at that level, plus 300 minus 500. I was playing at that level. But after something hit, and the indicators told me that the markets need to there's still a potential uptrend coming. So as I was saying, I use MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, parabolic SAR to predict the direction of the market. And here I was, or it was one of the signals that told me that the market is going up. And yeah, this is what kept happening. I'm trading, as I was saying, Ethereum, and on Binance. Of course, I trade cryptocurrencies. Sometimes I trade binary options. I also trade forex, but most of the time I'm trading this cryptocurrency futures. I use the maximum leverage offered because I know what I'm doing. I opened the trade with $1,900 margin because I don't want to use the max, which is $2,000. This way, it will be, yeah. Sometimes the trade will close automatically. Binance have a policy about this. You don't have you can't reach the maximum. Otherwise, your PNL won't be a lot. So there's no limit now. I use $1,900 as my margin. The entry price was $4,191, and as you can see, yeah, the market now is at $4,208. Yeah, I guess here the market started pumping, and the buyers started pushing the market, and now I'm at almost $2,000. I guess the trade will end at $2,000. Yeah, so around here, yeah, we will see a long candle.